Okay guys, so Saturday, February 10th, we're down here checking this furnace with this. We did this furnace back in 2017, so 7 years, about 7 years. And this is where I used to sell American Standard. This is an old American Standard unit. But I tell you, this is one of my favorite units, equipment. American Standard. We'll see what's going on here. So they got no heat. They say that they could smell like a gas, something like that. So they had a gas company coming over, so they turn it off. And so I guess it's gonna be just probably like a flame sensor or something. We'll see. So I just turn it on. Flame is on. I'm gonna have to do a combustion test, see what's going on. So we're doing a combustion analysis to see what's going on here. This number right here, the CO, has to be under 100. So we'll see. So we're running on first stage of heating, 1.8. I think we're safe in there. Candle. It's kind of weird. And this is second stage at 3.6. Raise it up from 3.3. And now we're running. We got a little too much of O2 oxygen. I think we're good. I think we're good. Let's print it out. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this part right here using the Milwaukee cordless vacuum M18. RA Home Services. Patch right here, plug for the hole that we use for the combustion analysis.
I probably should clean it a little more.
Make it more nicer, right? Alright guys, so I just left that job and looks like I don't know, they said they were feeling dizzy this morning and the heat wasn't working, so they called the gas company. The gas company came out, they didn't find any gas leaks. The guy from the gas company said that there was carbon monoxide right at the vent outside, and so it was kind of weird. So I did the combustion test, and it was the CO levels were they were around 20 parts per million, so it wasn't even close to the to a high level of CO. You know, anything below 100 we're fine. Obviously you don't want it close to 100, but adjusted the gas pressure, the manifold gas pressure to from 3.2 to 3.6. Cleaned the flame sensor, igniter looked okay, vacuumed the burner compartment, tested the capacitor, everything checked okay. So not really sure what was going on, but they're running safe. Left a report right by the furnace. Just keep in mind that doing a combustion analysis is really important when you're dealing with gas appliances. Cover your back and your customer's life as well. So so this is gonna be it. This was a Saturday emergency call. Really good customers. I have them for like 7 years. We installed that system back in 2017. Haven't had any major issues with it. So please subscribe, comments, criticism, like, share, and we'll see you in the next one.